Hi, this is Linda Donalds, and this year at the 2021 NGH convention, my virtual presentation is going to be Ideomotor Response Testing Works. This is a 1-hour seminar where you're going to learn what ideomotor signals are and how to use them to quickly find the root cause of your client's problem. I'm going to be covering the following key topics. What are the 7 key causes of all client issues? And how to structure key questions to reveal your client's root cause. Which 4 finger signals are necessary for effective response testing, and reasons why your client may not signal and how to get their subconscious mind to respond. This presentation is going to be best for those of you who want to do more interactive processes, but perhaps lack confidence in facilitating regression or parts mediation. Or perhaps you have used ideomotor testing, but you need some help getting it to work better for you. Ideomotor response testing is easy to do, and it really works, and I look forward to sharing this valuable information with you at the upcoming NGH virtual convention this year. See you there.